this is Ghost Power. So today I want to show you how you can make money with Bitcoin, which is the Bitcoin challenge. Today is day 4. So today is day 4. You need to go and watch the day 1 from the day 1 to day 4, which is today. If you don't know what we are talking about on this challenge that we are talking about Bitcoin challenge that I said I'm going to make $500 per week. So you need to go and watch it from day 1 to day 4. Tomorrow is day 5. So don't worry, I will try to explain it to you if you didn't get everything. So before we get started, don't forget to get subscribe to my YouTube channel. And my name is God's Power. If you don't know me, my name is God's Power, and all I do on this channel, I show people a way on how to make money. Any way that I've used and I see that it have worked for me, I come to my channel to share it with you guys. So don't forget again, like that button and smash that subscribe button. So if you really like this video or this way of making money online, if you don't like it, leave your comment in the comment section below, and I'll do as much as possible to come back to you. So that is it, guys, and thank you very much, and let's get started. So all we just need to do here is to get started. So this is the website we are talking about. Is a crypto tab browser. Is a browser that allows you to browse on internet, like you use Google Chrome. So that is how it works. You use Google Chrome, and the way you use Google Chrome, just exactly, you try to search on Google Chrome, and you try to watch video on Google Chrome. You try to search for anything on Google Chrome. This web Chrome, this which is called crypto tab browser, it generates bit, which is now going to turn into Bitcoin. It generates bit for you through your internet connection speed and everything. They try to track some data. Those data doesn't include your data. They're just trying to get some information, see how internet is going, and gather all those bits and convert them into currency, and they pay you some commission for doing that. So I try to explain to you. I hope you understand what I'm trying to say. And let me show you around Bitcoin. As you can see currently right now, I have 196 people, and if you come to my affiliate earning, at the bottom here, you will see that my affiliate earning here at the bottom is $38, almost $40 for just referring people to this program. I earn a little coin. I earn, like, let me say, 5 to 10 cents from them every time they are mining using this program. So it's very simple, and you can just go and take action with this program. And I know a lot of you will be wondering, how will I get paid? You can get paid by Bitcoin. You see, it's a Bitcoin system. It's a Bitcoin program. So they pay you on your Bitcoin. So I will show you how you can get paid on your Bitcoin. But let me say, if you want to refer a friend, just click on affiliate. Click on this affiliate dashboard. Once you click on affiliate, it will take you to affiliate dashboard. I will show you my affiliate. Now you will see this is my affiliate dashboard, and you can see that 22 people is mining with this software as we are talking currently right now. I told you last time that I have total of 196 people, 196 people that I have referred on this program. And as you can see, this is my refer link. When I copy this link, I go to social media like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter to post this link and share it. Tell people, just leave a short description telling people to sign up on this program. I will get commission for referring people to this program. So that is how it works. You can use the program on your smartphone or on your Android, but you can still refer people and make more money with this program. That is why you see that I have about 196 people under me that is using this program. So let me say I want to withdraw. We'll just click on withdraw, and I can withdraw this $36 you can see here, which is the affiliate earning. I can withdraw this money if I want to. So that is how it works. If you want to withdraw, just let me say we want to withdraw. Now we come to affiliate dashboard. Withdraw is 0.00001 Bitcoin. That is how much you can withdraw, the minimum amount. And as you can see, so that is how it works. Once you enter the amount you want to withdraw, you come to this section here. you go to the bottom, you will see they will ask you to verify I'm not a robot, and you click on withdraw, and they will send you a confirmation email to verify for you to verify that you really approve this withdrawal that is happening on your crypto tab browser account. So once you confirm it, in 1 business days they will send you that amount of Bitcoin that you withdraw. So that is how you can withdraw your money. So at the day 5, I will show you proof of everything, how I have withdrawn and how Bitcoin have paid me. I will show you proof, all the withdrawal that I've did with crypto tab browser, all the withdrawal, I will show you proof and everything. So don't worry, I will show you that on the day 5, which is the final which is the final day of this challenge. So let me say you want to promote crypto tab. They have a lot of promotion, a lot of way you banner is that you select the size of the banners you want to take. Select the size here. Once you select the size of the banner you want to take, you want to apply to your website, you come at the bottom, you click on this copy URL, you go and paste it on your website. So when you go and paste it on your website, this is what is going to show on your website, and this is what people is going to see and take action. So that is for the banner. And you can even use general a landing page, and you can use video landing page, you can use a mobile landing page, and you can use a simple landing page. So that is how it works. When you see a simple landing page, this is how it look like. And let's say mobile landing page, this is how mobile landing page look like. This is all the mobile landing page. And let me say video landing page, this is how video landing page look like. As you can see here, those are video landing page. General landing page, when you click on general landing page, this is how general landing page look like. It just look like exactly as the website. All landing page, you click on all landing page and you will have all here. So as you can see, that is how the social the banner landing page look like. So if we click on banner, that is how the banners look like. And if we click on landing page, this is how the landing page looks like. It look different because they are different size, different format. So as you can see, those are the Tumblr for YouTube, as you can see here. So that is it. And if you go back again, let us click on social landing page. You click on social, the page that they are giving you to promote your social on social media like Facebook. As you can see, they give you a size of Tumblr. Tumblr is like, you can see when you create a blog on your website, they have something they call feature image, which they call Tumblr on YouTube. Why on YouTube is Tumblr, why on your website is called feature image. So this is the feature image, which is something people will see, which is something that is called call to action, something that people will see and they will really click on that content or on that video or on that thing that you are promoting to them. So that is what is called call to action, because they see something that they like in the first page, which is the call to action. That is why they take action. And one thing I love is that you can download those images. You click on download and you download it on your computer. And to promote it, you need to come down here. Crypto tab browser have prepared a test for you. As you can see here, this is the test that they prepare for you. So let me read one of those tests. You see, I am using crypto tab browser for a long time now, and I want to know how cool it is. Easy to use, no extra effort, unlimited withdrawals, and you and if you are still doubt, check the BTC rate. It is definitely the best time for mining. You can get it here. So click on this. When they click on this link, when you post these tests here, when you post it, you copy this test, and when you post this test on social media or on your blog, when people read this and they click on the link, you make some commission. So that is how it works, how to promote it on social media or on your blog or on your website. So when they click on that link, you make some money. So that is how that area work. So the refer program, when you refer people, I showed you that you can refer people by sending them your link, and when they click on that, you make some money. So another way you can make money is by typing on your website. So you can see that when you click on about, you can come to calculate the invitation people. You can see level 1 10%, level 2 level 1 15%, level 2 10%, level 3 5%, level 4 3%, level 5 2%, level 6 1%, while level 7 0.5%, level 8 0.25%, level 9 0.125%, level 10, which is the last one, you will have about 1 million people referred. You will see that you will have 0.0625%. So that is how much you can make by referring people to this program, and you can make a huge amount of money. You can come here to calculate how many people you invite per and how much you will make per a lead, or how much you will make from each friend when you refer people to this program. And you can start earning, you can start right away earning. So to earn, you can invite people, and all people you invite let us read it, say invite users via the personal link, encourage them to use crypto tab browser. All people you invite by users you have invited by their referral link become member of your mining network. The member of your mining network activities actively use the browser for surfing and mining. You will be getting commission fee depending on the network size and member activity. So what they are saying is true. You need to have your internet connection. Sorry about that. You need to have your internet connection functioning well. You need to have internet connection that is fast, and you need to refer people that is really interested to use crypto tab browser. So that is why before you use it, you need to make sure you are ready to use it. Keep on using it so that you will make money, because it's a win-win. When me I'm mining, you are getting a commission. When you are mining, why me I'm getting a commission. It's a win-win game here. So don't just think that because somebody refer you, the person is making money while you are not making. No, both of you are hitting it together, and you are making a lot of money with the strategy and method. So you can go and start using crypto tab browser and start making a lot of money with this method. So that is how it works, guys. I hope that my explanation and everything that I've explained on this video have made you to understand how crypto work. I showed you how you can withdraw your money, but on the day 5 I will show you proof all the money that I withdraw on crypto tab, and I will show you on my Coinbase account. So if you don't have Coinbase account, I will leave Coinbase in the description below so that you can go and click on Coinbase and start using it, using a Coinbase account. So Coinbase is like a buying and selling account, crypto account, cryptocurrencies account that you can go and save your Bitcoin, save your Ethereum, save any type of currency on your crypto account, on your Coinbase account. So that is how it works, guys. And I hope that my explanation and everything that I'm talking about here will really help you and take you to the next level. So that is it, and I'm going to end the video from here. But before I end the video, I will show you how I make money with this method. All challenge of this strategy, of this method that we just talked about, and I hope that you learned something from it. So if you learned something, leave it in the comment section below, and I'll end the video here. Don't forget to check my website out, www.ugodspower.com. That is my website, and you can check me out on Instagram. I am RigosPower. On Facebook, I am RigosPower. On Twitter, I am RigosPower. So I will end it for you guys. I will see you on the day 5, which is the final day, and I hope that you will become successful making money with this step by step, guys. So thank you very much, guys, and peace out.